Multigrip is a new revolutionary multi-tool from the team that brought you the game-changing disc wallet products. With pocket space at a premium, it's important to get the most out of your multi-tool. Ideally, you want something functional enough to be worth carrying while still being easy to pocket and use. The Multigrip multi-tool embodies many core principles of everyday carry, utility, versatility, and portability, and weighs a mere 32 g, 1.1 ounces. Having a toolbox's worth of functionality in a single pocketable tool is invaluable for quick fixes, tinkering, and other handiwork. The breaker is compact and fits nicely into a leather and recycled inner tube pouch. The breaker is cast from stainless steel using a loss wax casting process and then is tool hardened. It is currently patent pending. The tool weighs just 100 g/3.5 Oz and magnetically houses 2 tool bits inside its structure, while the full tool pouch weighs just 185 g/6.5 ounces. Cassette is a multifunction tool made of pure carbon fiber. Strong, compact and ultralight, Cassette is the best multi-tool to carry within your daily life. Cassette, a new generation tool with cabins in it, which allows it to carry up to 4 screwdriver bits inside. The built-in handy knife helps you deal with daily chores, for example, opening an envelope or trimming off the loose threads on your cloth. The 100% carbon fiber structure gives Cassette extraordinary and highly coveted physical properties. With the amazing lightweight at only 1.5 ounces, you can hardly feel it in your pocket. As a result, the size of Cassette is only 2.95 by 1.14 by 0.45 in. That means Cassette is significantly more portable than any ordinary multi-tools. It can be easily put into any pockets. Nomad Survival Multi-Tool is an EDC and everyday carry item that will be there with you in any survival situation. It's a tool with many tools. It has a fire starter, scraper, flashlight, compass, bottle opener, cutting blade, carabiner, split ring to hang things, a screwdriver, and 1/4 bit adapter. Size is about 5 inch x 1.5 w x 1/2 feet.